Machita Namakrotman, the news are flying faster than Klose Kholelo down the wing. In this video, Tetango, Luke Batman, George Matlo, Asanele Velepai, Sipho Mbule, Mduduzi Mdantsane, and Pitso Mosemane. The end of May, indaba ziphuma like almost every hour, every 2 hours. So now I'm ubami pace and post as much content as possible. A top story with George Matlo. It seems like it's going to be the first exit out of Kaizer Chiefs. Things stand. Umchita Ngogo is looking at the gate. He's staring at the gate. It's Naturena. George Matlo has his fans. Bakhona abantu who are the fans got George Matlo. First of all, I did say George Matlo is going to leave at the end of the season. Bakhona abantu abaniphikisayo but defana nithethe nonsense up. But ke except George Matlo contract yakhe phela Kaizer Chiefs and kanga motivate a club with the performances zakhe on the field. But my kanga motivate a club on the field of play. But my offer a new deal. George Matlo is an interesting case. George Matlo, technical, he's got a great touch on the ball. He's got great height, and he's like a throwback. Like as a player like Dala. But football has changed, and especially a role in central midfield. The position is central midfield. It's one of the most difficult positions in modern football. It has so many demands. It touch, the technique is not enough for Baxter to be successful when you let a club with many results. Maybe in the past it used to be, but these days central midfielder needs to be a lot more dynamic, especially Kaungena ball without the ball. Where are you moving to without the ball? And then with the ball, how quick are you move the ball forward? And central midfield is about a work ethic more than any other position, I think, on the field. Maybe when in the fullbacks, you have to go and attack and also defend. And then there's like a larger space by the wing, like it's almost like the whole more than 80 meters, 90 meters zebala. And then central midfielder is similar situation, similar demands, similar job. But you have to defend and you have to attack. That's more than football, Buffett. These days, I a midfielder that is only sitting partner, just a ball winner. At the same time, our nine midfielder attack a car in modern football. Nege wenze konke zonke bonke but to cover more than 80 meters yebala uspane and then to cela singalibala support the channel bafethu nje nishaye like apha ezantsi okanye nishaye subscribe. YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje funeka bekhona into oyenzayo but i-80% abantu bayancanywa le channel bayibukela every week but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye se like bekhona oyenzayo but ungabukeli nje cofa nje into zabelungu man watch bafethu. And funeka ube ne-speed so arrive at the right moment outside the box. Funeka ube ne-fitness ne-energy yokwenza low way. And i-modern midfielders ngoku ziyakwazi kuse ubaleka kwi-channels ijo. Ngena bona uYusuf Maart senza low way, the player that most Kaizer Chiefs fans love to hate. And i-modern midfielders ngoku, but most of them they are seeing the light ngoku. They're starting to change their minds about Yusuf Maart. Because except as I'm catch up, Ebola change fast, you understand. Yusuf Maart, ngena mbona a runner into channel ijo like in a very impressive way. No talent mbathe ngena mbona yenza la way. Mtebo Homokwena obviously wayenza no Alenda wayenza la way, which is what we central midfield area, eh? And then ibola isemva kwakho. But the pass to you is not on. So what do? You create a space, you run into the channel, and then ibola gets played to a striker okanye number 10. And then number 10 when you striker class receiver la bola when already in the channel free space whether the right wing or the left wing, and you're going to deliver in the cross, which is Umati wenza la create opportunity or Umbatha bazenza we create opportunities. Player like George Matlo, unfortunately, me I was going to away because I know that dynamism and energy. Now work ethic. Yes, before I used to do YouTube, I used to be the guy that never said I told you. Like socially, beninjalo much it know me, but even if like I said something and then it turns out to be true or without aware, I'm not that guy. Gucci, but I told you so. But YouTube has forced me to be that guy, because up YouTube for some reason, ko abantu bathanda ukuphikisa cheaply. nje bafana any cheap reason probably maphekise bathi hey, you talking nonsense, hey, you are talking lies, who told you, except sometimes you just need to apply your mind, especially if you've been watching and following football for like your entire life, more than 30 years, or follow ball. There's no way you can see before they happen. You just have to apply your mind and how you ask, okay, John, this player is going to leave this club, based on it. Like, there's no ways you're obvious, but second top story is a beloved boy South African football. As many players like naturally is be loved by Fethu. At the same time, you also have players that are like hated for no particular reason, for no good reason. As many players are just disliked, and then Becky players is loved just instantly. Leyo look Batman China, and I think one of the reasons why look, besides his potential and talent, was Bonagalisa at the biggest stage, and he was only 17 years old at the time. Udlala against the Kaizer Chiefs, scored a goal past Itumeleng Khune, and as a moment legendary. He almost became an instant legend umchana. Legendary status, abanye abantu understand about legendary status, but if you play for a club when you for 15 years, 10 years, that is what they call a legend. But a legendary moment, a moment engalibaleki okuthethwa ngayo for a very long time. Uluk Batman, that goal against Kaizer Chiefs, why scored I think 2 years ago from now, but everybody still remembers that goal, and that is what you call a legendary status. China became an instant legend, but sometimes he's not a legend, but he created a legendary moment. But yeah, look, Batman, since that has grown and has become even more popular China. I'm not 18 years old and available as a free agent. Cape Town Spurs relegated to APC Motsepe League, which is like the 3rd division. His special abilities zimenza special China. I don't think zimenza afite okanye abe ready for a team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs kwenye Orlando Pirates. I've been seeing online abantu are calling for Luke Batman to go to Orlando Pirates kwenye Kaizer Chiefs. Bafethu, that would be a mistake. I'm going to tell you reasons why. I'm going to give 2 simple reasons why Luke Batman is not ready for Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates. Abanye abantu bafuna uyivalue because bafuna understand, and they don't want to learn. They don't want to listen and learn. Luke Batman, number 1, with all his talent and potential. By the way, your potential, when you're at this age, which is like before you turn 20, as many players even they turn 20 before even the age of 24, it's any potential, understand? Maybe some people don't understand the word potential means. Musatembisa. Let me give you the manjonga say ithini singamla. As I explain a potential very quickly. It's almost like the ability that you can go far, you can make it, but you haven't made it yet. ET potential, by definition, having or showing the capacity to develop into something in the future. I love that definition. So much they saying potential is having or showing the capacity to develop into something in the future. So awukabili player. Understand shy singamla ngoku if ulahlekile ayikabi. So Batman, number 1, so these 3 is by 3 is the reasons. Uqala usene potential umchana. And then number 2 is mna umuntu ombukele so much Batman is that China is still making a lot of mistakes. Sends a lot of mistakes, and I say mistakes at Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates with high pressure expectations. If fans want to get on his back, and the last thing you need is a crowd getting on his back at 18 and old. That is the worst thing. You never do that in football. South Africa, if fans as guy found the way, as guy become matured, but as football fans, we have one duty towards youngsters. Listen to me carefully about it. In Mamele Kren, as a football fans, it's need duty one car towards young players, to support them, to encourage them. About Z2 as that is a player that is growing a developer. Young player, its duty as fans is to support and encourage, not to criticize and bash. Potential yakhe is destroyed. The worst thing and the last thing you need is a youngster with killed confidence. like he's done, you've killed him. Umqabile kuse umchana uyamcisha, you understand, and you'll never recover, and then the career is over. The second thing is that uBatman say his style sakhe, how he plays, his style of playing. In football, most say players, they're all different, they play in different styles. You can take 2 or 3 players that are the same position, but say his style is fun, his style is natural, but say you're only playing in natural instinct. Man, it's not good for the wing. I've watched him wing setting. Umchana Ukraine is a number 10 attacking midfielder behind the striker. So I've explained about China Kamani foot and number 10. But I would say number 10 are but different. You get different number 10s. You get a number 10 that is like the perfect number 10 about Jonah. The original number 10. When you touch a grand, like the most talented player in the team. The touch yake is clean, is smooth, is skillful, is elegant. The passing yake, the vision yake yakwazi uyibona imove before yenzeke. Une confidence, arrogant ebholeni. He creates goals, he scores goals. You understand? Most of all, the creativity. Uyakwazi ukuse creative play. Uyakwazi ukuse create a combination with the players zakhe. It's just like very, very clever. Like when I say football brain, football IQ yakhe, I high, I hoog, Afrikaans. That is number 10, the most perfect number 10. But the thing was, is by coaching the football, it coaches especially Zaba clever. That's told about Jonah. You can get a number 10, but the number 10 doesn't have to be that type of number 10, the original number 10. But man, number 10 not different China. What? Yeah, no, he's not. He does have a touch, but the touch I call like, oh, blue, I clean it, beautiful, elegant. When I touch a grand, China clean it, touch but I say, but man, yeah, na. His strength sake China number 1, he great. You understand? Like you try great. GRIT. Ivale ngathi sinondithi sekubulisa uGreat. Une great umchana, and immediately navela cinga isikhokho, a legend. Tsovilakazi when great. Not too much of like the touch, anything like that. And it say utso wine feature footman say wine great umchita. GRIT. For banga aziyo bafethu to say great. I'm gonna give the definition up. Try definition it creates is the courage and the resolve, strength of character. The courage, the resolve, strength of character. But it's jonga umuntu uyafoster, yabistan ungena kuvaliwe. But man, lawe yakhe umchana ni say unayo lawe isesena 17. And then say umchana on top of that, direct. As a number 10. How number 10 direct. Like area number 10 is congested. Most players that's money ball up number 10, they receive the ball, and the first thing they think about is to pass to Ewing Azabo. But can an option to pass, most players have money number 10, but can an option to pass option to look. So which means except they hold the ball and look. Number 1, and it said, but sometimes they're frustrated. Masangwani takes time. Masangwani, number 10, but we're going to fit. And then Maruclever, Mchita Pele ends, like Maria frustrated, we're patient. We'll have me ball and say, Tito, so we are strong. And one vision and then creativity. And then most of the time, and most times when you have the time, it was like as a Spaniard, but except when it takes time to first look and read the game and read the movement. But when he gets it right, by genius, by strong. And then isn't players if I look Batman, Zona receive ball and then he's already receive ball, so Batman say umchana. He's already like born say ungena go value, mavula space, mavula value. A drop balls umchana, and he say no ufune go keeper with a shot or with a run, he's gonna carry the ball part kwabando. And he say yes shooter umtshana left and right noma ngeyiphi indlela nangenhloko like the light like yanyanzela umtshana. And then on top of that futhi aphinde benayo sene-touch and technique grand umtshana. So the latest story is that ufuna Stellenbosch sinomdla womsayina and team grand for umtshana angagrowa phana. Stellenbosch FC azina big crowd stadium. Stellenbosch even sometimes bana 5,000 10,000 kulawe stadium, but as a fans apana they're more patient. Like if like to say in the decision wrong, which is like it happens a lot unfortunately, but man come a receive it ball and then he was supposed to pass and then he's gonna try to take on players and then loses the ball. And sometimes when he needs to carry the ball, when you wait with the ball, I wait for the run, I will pass it too early. But is a way, and then the crowd is Stellenbosch, team fan Stellenbosch, he patient, ayizuvele say ingole, and then he say khala, hey, bon frustrated by say chane what did hey, bonelanya. Understand in Kwazi, and then he say la way I'm span, I'm chan, and then he says I'm affect, and then he say pillar is Mosha is new players. When Jane go to Shabalala, but fortunately, and his low way I fault Umchana as a player, and I fault your fans the Kaizer Chiefs. He fought a club by Sejong. Why don't you have the players by Sejong on my Melly team? Why don't you have the players to carry the pressure and expectations? To bangene, a team say winner, but say winner when the pressure is low. Ukubone la way say team I win 2-0, and then he plays a mistake. The crowd azujamba kakhulu. The crowd is about patient. Okanye when a player has just scored a brilliant goal, when he scored a brilliant goal last week, but he sends a mistake. The crowd bone azum because they say bone some feel. Lo so much Moha Unkota. Best example Moha Unkota you're frustrated about it and he say we bonagalo sends mistakes is needs mchana bonagalo is 19-20. But he say Unkota he makes up, get brilliance. When it can a moment of brilliance from China, and then you're away, and then he gets time. Or even in the same game, Unkota really ends is 9 is bad Joe, and then say number 10 better magic from China. Understand? And then Upatmani and say it's too much of a risk for Angayek Paris when Kaizer Chiefs figure Enzo low way, he can be destroyed very quickly. So this Stellenbosch so grow again that way, right? He's gonna mature, he's gonna learn, he's gonna get used to play to Premiership, and he's gonna learn to make better decisions on the ball. And then in 2-3 years time, and this Stellenbosch 40, Umchan is likely to get a regular game time. If it's done, Kaizer Chiefs, especially when you're on the parades next season, he's about calling players in the attacking midfielders. And Upatman at his age, when you are 20 years old, 19 years old, 18 years old, you must play a lot of football, understand, so that you grow. You can't play like 5 games, 8 games, 10 games per whole season. Now where you're gonna play 20 games per season, and that way you're gonna get better. Parades, Batman has only got 20 games. When you Chiefs also got 20 games with Batman. So he can back say he must go to Stellenbosch FC. It's a great idea. Second top story about the Super Bowl, agent yake, Mike McCabe, the super agent, the most famous agent in SA football, has given an update on Super Bowl's future and he has provided the clarity. Uti ba Super Bowl contract yake in Sundowns yaphela ngo-June, but Sundowns have an option to extend, which is the standard in most football contracts these days. And then McCabe uti ba say Sundowns they might not extend his contract, but say Umbule is a player that is super talented. So obviously if Sundowns don't renew his contract, he's not gonna be short of the options, interest. Downs, of as we all know, been disciplinary issues. I think early last year, he was suspended for a few days. I think 2 seasons ago, then in January, loaned out because they say behavior wouldn't change. They moved into a different environment. United, or figure pan, I improve. I say disciplinary issues. Pina, figure or business and Nembombo Tipana, business Umchita. Sekhukhune United released about Sejong Sundowns, and then he hasn't played football in like 2 months in Woko. Career yake yalaqazisa. Another update is Tutusim Tanzania talking about Ulanuza attacking players, midfielders, is technical. Mduduzi Mdantsane has been released by Richards Bay. We start back to Kaizer Chiefs. He only played 2 times on loan Richards Bay. So as keeper from Mdantsane, career yakhe ayikho grand ngokumjita. The last time Mdantsane played his best football was Ibaroka FC. And then Suzuko, Cape Town City, Mchita, or light up, or grand, but it didn't happen for him at Kaizer Chiefs. Usenai football is only 30 years old. These days, 40, 30 is only 30 these days. Akafani in the past, 10 years ago, 30 was like, hey, late. 30 is not longer old. Still has football. Zenibone. But not at Kaizer Chiefs. Sometimes, so we play, especially if you want to revive your career. If you when you're in the out to revive your career, Kaizer Chiefs is going to be too much pressure. Kaizer Chiefs next season. Udinga is card to regain his confidence, regain his football, regain his sharpness. Next update, the best coach in Africa, Dr. Pitso Mosimane bafethu. Egyptian Giants, sleeping Giants is Zamalek, who wants to get back to the top. I lose the dominance Egyptian football. Third team okay, Egypt because of Al Ahly, and then the new power, the new boys, the Sundowns of Egypt, which is the Pyramids FC, Banenyugu. They the second top team of Egypt. Zamalek number 3. Bani coaching issues. Zamalek twa ifuna Dr. Pitso Mosimane bafethu. This is a developing story. Sabe sijongile sizawubona. Pitso unayo is a proven experience. Egypt jo wawina i-league title ne Al Ahly, and then wawina CAF Champions League ezithu ne Al Ahly. So Pitso inja amathambo Egypt. Him going to Zamalek is no surprise if it happens, but I hope Pitso doesn't go, because it says Zamalek idume coach ivele coaches is released like too cheaply. Owner Zamalek say idume ngoba isejonga ayibambi jo too much umjita with trigger happy. Ayoko patient, and then poor man he's not a sporting man, he's too business minded, and then tata wrong decisions on coaches. Final story, Arsenal Vele by Stellenbosch FC. They have an easy way of getting players from Cape Town Spurs, because it's easier to get players from Cape Town to another Cape club. Logistics, communications is easier, and it's also very important to get the talent in your same town or same city. Why? Because a player so Cape Town Spurs, he already has a following yake, community yake already follows him. So if you sign a top player Cape Town Spurs, it's going to be getting you at least like 200 fans, when you're 300, 500 fans. Abantu abahlala community yakhe bamsupportayo la mntu. Say Stellenbosch, talent ibonayo Cape Town Spurs bamayithole, because they say not just because the player is going to settle easy in the same city, but it's going to bring you his support. They acknowledge about Uvelepai as a super talent, but they have a player that is too similar to him in terms of age and playing style. Tinangobani walanga lihle phili. Iwinga Stellenbosch, and is a very similar type of player. And Stellenbosch ziclever signing nje zejonga profile player. Uphili naye is a player that's very good on one-on-one. He takes on players and then creates opportunities. Uvelepai is a very same player, but Uvelepai is way talented. Uvelepai when you level compared to Uphili bafethu. So Stellenbosch, yeah, I say okay, yeah, sure bafethu, but yeah, Uvelepai bafethu ayikho level kaphili. Uphili ayikho level kaVelepai jo, but Uphili uNtswemba la jo. Uvelepai inja amathambo la light. But yesterday, motion I quite interested. Iyahlanya, but it's very good news for Kaizer Chiefs. If Kaizer Chiefs are not going to sleep on Uvelepai. Now, as over feelings of vandaag. Can you level support channel? If you like, up his hands. Okay, if you can't channel, ungalahli ngapost with the subscribe. Watch about feature.